Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have Ppsspp installed and a zipped PSB dump. Start now by moving that. Zip into a simple folder. You want a short path name so the emulator can scan it quickly. Once done, open Ppsspp and go to the settings briefly to confirm storage permissions and folder access. This avoids permission errors. Make sure the zip contains a single ISO/CSO file at root. Nested folders can prevent detection, so fix that before proceeding. Now you'll let Ppsspp discover the zipped game. From the main screen, choose the directory where you placed the zip and tap refresh or scan. You'll see the game title appear if the zip structure is correct. Ppsspp reads the archive without extraction, which saves space. When you select the title, the emulator mounts the ISO inside the archive and begins loading. If loading stalls, back out and confirm the zip contains a single ISO/CSO file at the archive root. Launch the game and immediately check performance. You can change backend, frame skip, or texture scaling to improve speed. Save using both in-game saves and Ppsspp save states so you can recover quickly. If audio or graphics are wrong, toggle sound synchronization and rendering modes. If Ppsspp does not detect the zip, make a new zip with the ISO at the archive root using a standard compressor, or rename the file extension to ISO and test. This resolves most detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.